You're in a K-pop store in Korea, staring at a wall of albums. Which version has your bias? Do they even have it in stock? 2 phrases fix everything? Anne? Let's learn them.
이거 있어요. 포카 뭐 나와요?
Buying albums is a whole skill. There are multiple versions, and photocards are random inside. To shop smart, you need 2 questions. One by one.
앨범 사러 왔어요.
First, it means do you have this? Is have or exists. Show a photo or point at the shelf and ask.
이거 있어요.
Say IGOISSYO. Swap in what you want. Do you have this album? Or ask for a version. Do you have the A version?
A 버전 있어요?
You want the exact version with your bias on the cover, but the shelf only shows one. You hold up your phone with the photo and ask the staff.
이 버전 있어요?
Know the answers too. Yes, we have it. But sometimes it's sold out or they're all gone. Then you ask about another version.
품절이에요. 그럼 다른 버전 있어요?
Second, is photocard is what is comes out. Together, which photocards come with this? The big question for every buyer.
포카 뭐 나와요?
Say paka MWO nawayo. Follow up with, is it random? And, how many types are there? That tells you your odds of pulling your bias.
랜덤이에요. 몇 종이에요?
You found the album, but the photocard inside is sealed and random. Before you buy 3 copies, you check what's possible.
포카 뭐 나와요? 랜덤이에요.
Stores often give freebies with a purchase. Ask, is there a gift? And if posters come with it, poster please, remember from last time.
선물 있어요. 포스터 주세요.
Once you decide, lock it in. I'll take this one. Means with this one. Point at the version you want and say it.
이걸로 주세요.
Buying multiples for more photocard chances? 2 copies please, counts flat things. Then close it out with, how much, from last episode.
2장 주세요. 얼마예요?
You've picked the version, checked the photocards, grabbed the freebie. At the register you confirm the count and pay.
이걸로 2장 주세요. 얼마예요?
A tone note is casual fan slang, short for photocard. Staff at K-pop stores understand it perfectly. But the sentence frames? And, stay polite either way.
포카는 팬들이 쓰는 말이에요. 문장은 정중하게요.
Keep the whole question polite and you're safe with any staff. Anne? Work in any shop, not just K-pop stores. Polite forms, everyday useful.
어느 가게에서나 정중하게 물어봐요.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. Do you have this? Which photocards come with it? And to buy.
이거 있어요. 포카 뭐 나와요? 이걸로 주세요.
Your mission, in the comments, tell me the album you're hunting and ask. In Korean. I'll tell you what to look for. Subscribe, next time we survive a music show and a fan sign.
댓글에 포카 뭐 나와요? 써보세요.